People repair bank of Imphal River at Singjamei. The bank collapsed at Singjamei Sapam Laikai Tekhau Part 1 week ago. Minister Karam Sham asserts that he is prepared to take the lead to bring transparency in politics. People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance announces that it will contest both Lok Sabha seats in Manipur in 2019. Manipur government invites Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur for talks on October 24th. And Northeast United FC outplayed Neroka FC with 2-0 wins in a friendly match. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rautkumari with the top stories in the latest news at this hour. Locals today repaired the bridge bank of the Imphal River at the Singjamei Tekhau Sapam Laikai Part Road. This river bridged its bank in an area a week ago and the situation worsened as the water level rose following incessant rain. The bank collapsed further due to the incessant rain which lasted the state since last afternoon. Residents of the locality came out since early morning after the water level increased to repair the bank. They used bamboos, earth and other valuable items to block the water. Speaker Yumnam Khemchand's wife Joybala Yumnam also visited the site. The speaker is out of town. General Secretary of Social Environment Development Organization Sedo S. Devan said the road collapsed since last week. He said the absence of a retaining wall and a good road has caused a lot of inconveniences to the people. Devan lamented that no actions have been taken so far despite their repeated request to the department. He appealed to all concerned departments to look into the matter at the earliest.
Speakers are masamak sumaitawdana out of station Bangalore da ma function amagi chakhibadagi aihakna masi magi represent tawraga Singjamegi amoina aina lakpani ward ahumgi councillor ahumna su yam kana mateng pangbiri praja mayamna su yamna sohojok pibiri makha taba kari akhoi site gi lokhatpa yabagi haibadu akhoi speaker na Imphal da thunga matamda akhoi praja mayam punjannaraga akhoi amutang tanajaraga akhoi gi tungi oina hena long lasting oiba kamai tawsige haibado khanabado akhoi punjannaraga masimaktade akhoi tawjage na su khanjai
ising ahumariang ma thum tawkhlakbado aleba ki thum namtharakbaduna ngasi ni humni sida namtharakoi changki nong sum henjalakba ana hojik mangdo uriba condition je ngasi nongalakbado smai lerme authority na ju yengjendre akhona complaint tawgodo ju hana smai na kutong thiningai di am ka hena leibidi oigidabani na adugi precaution du delhodre hojiki leiba condition di authority na honorable na natraga leba ki thabuk pubiri basingna leiba condition gi matung ni sing handra kanda mafam ji soidne mai tamukta mathang next amung lakpa matam da ko soyangam yaudana ba retaining wall gumba amona tholktana ba dumti chalaning gi wakal akoi site gi aina phungdong.
People can contact irrigation and flood control for any flood-related issues on mobile numbers 8014674755 or 8132829036. The landline number of the flood control room 038524151550 is out of service. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham has asserted that he is prepared to take the lead to bring transparency in politics in the state. He was speaking at the handing over ceremony of a badminton court and a concrete ground of judging Lakpa Puroi Romba Haraubung to the people today. The minister said he will work honestly for the people of the constituency as the people elected him as a representative honestly. Karam Sham maintained that all the 60 assembly constituencies of the state will develop if maximum amount of the funds meant for development reaches the people. He asserted that a target has been set to restore all roads of Langtabal constituency within 2 to 3 years. He said the pace of development will improve if one's work with the mindset of not waiting for a MLA or a minister. The minister maintained that the representative should always welcome the developmental works carried out by the public.
Akoi society da suerisi individual akoi mating pang da bayade tau da bayade akoi hingmin na da bayade taim sung akoi ranti se mathak makha se wona bagum tauri lanai haiba wafum sina hena makok ta lagwa aduga miham gi haiba posina makha da wona na satkhiba aduna neba akoi samaj maruina chaukotri se chaukot pai se akoi punamak chaukhalaga chaukot pa haiba potsi lakadori ne Manipur ki ranti da awon ba ahong amakak porak nama matam chupada challenge dauri haiba simati khangbiu mayam gi mafamda.
Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar has maintained that every religion had its own beauty and that unity and love are the main principle of every religion. The minister was speaking at the closing ceremony of 200th birth anniversary of Bahua Ila organized by local spiritual assembly of the Baha'is of Imphal at GM Hall today. Jayantakumar further observed that no religion teaches hatred. All religions teaches us to leave jealousy and to stay united at all times. He said the future generations will remember the present generation if it contributes something for them. Vice Chancellor of Cultural University of Manipur, Professor N. Khagendra, Member of Parliament Dr. T.H. Mainya and members of Local Spiritual Assembly of the Baha'is of Imphal attended the event.
Disposal of dead body, it varies. But Mother Shiva and the Bombom, I don't delay. I am Bombom related to the Lakatanga, Nana, hanging it and howling at the kite of young Yedina, Manhamburg and the Aikan Kumam to the game, but in Chiaragani, but Kumka Garagani, but it's a kite to do this. Yam Shina, you can look at you with the toning way. A kite from the toning way, a can from the Nanging way, the Kana from the toning way, property, I hang a lore and a can, he now quick at 1 minute or a Peshaka you standing away. These are nothing but the teachings of Bhavala.
People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance Praja has announced that it will contest about the Lok Sabha seats in Manipur in 2019 general elections. The convener of the party, Irendro Leichombam, today announced at the press meet held at Thangmaibam Kondom Selungbam Laikai that Praja will contest Lok Sabha election in both the inner and outer constituency of Manipur. The party today celebrated its first foundation day. The executive members and members of Praja discussed ways to strengthen the party. Irendro Leichombam said Praja is the only party which is the voice of the state. He said even though it is small and a new political party, it has been able to garner support for the people in the assembly election without money and muscle power. He was hopeful that the Praja will grow with the support of the people.
Political party amoina election khudingi akoi fight tawgani laiba 2019 da so akoi candidate ani inner ga outer ga akoi thadoga election fight tawjagani aduga mamang da phangiba vote masing mamang da phangiba mayam gi response to uraga akoina khanjari si soidana akoi gi handak election si da akoi khangjagreba paisa na su leiba yadaba mi se Manipur da hojik su leiri haiba pochima akoi sigi mami ta ba si urak pasida Hai mi masing je matamgi matungina sum chauthorkani sum yamakani.
District Project Office SSA RTE Kangpokpi District will organize district-level training on UIs and SDMIs for all schools operational in this district on the 24th of this month at Community Hall, Thomas Ground, Kangpokpi. The government of Manipur has invited Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM for talks with regards to inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list. The Demand Committee has termed the step as a positive and said they will cease all forms of agitation for time being. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, General Secretary of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur, L. Lokendra, said the government has officially invited them for talks on the 24th of this month. He was hopeful that the talks will be fruitful. Taking part in the press meet, advisor of the committee and veteran journalist Yambem Laba appreciated the step of the state government. He said the committee only wants the Meitei to be included in the scheduled tribe list of the country. Laba also warned of agitation if their demands are not met. It may be mentioned that the Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur organized a public convention on September 24th at Iboyaima Shamang Lila Sanglin Palace compound and resolved to carry out intense agitation if the government does not send recommendation for the central government for inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list by the 20th of this month.
Meitei bu Scheduled Tribe ki lista changat da bani haibagi issue sida India government na hogiba 2013 ge May 18 da tharakiba chithi gi matungina Meitei bu Scheduled Tribe lista changadab ne matang da government ge recommendation along with requisite documents thara o na haibani adugi hariba recommendation do tang kun bhausi gi manung da thabi gadaba ni haiduna convention du da miam gi khola oina lakhibani
government da haibusi noina bimusunga manate noina government of India da recommend to you haibani wani madu hok to bunga mo haiba ta aragadi miam no other alternative except one hesitation pu oina la Iran pu ne bak Iran pu do eninge adu government da haidu ise no recommend to you madu hok to bide ta aragadi ko nam pu to magi ko is prepare to wi haidu bai wani.
Former Medical Forest and Revenue Minister Thaudam Krishna passed away today at Jennings due to an illness. He was 86 years old. He is survived by 5 sons and 7 daughters. Thaudam Krishna won the assembly election in 1980 from Thoubal Assembly constituency. He was a cabinet minister. He won in 1990 for the second time and was the Forest and Revenue Minister. His funeral was performed at Thaudam Maninglaikai. The newly elected Jilla Parishads, Pradhans and ward members of 4 Gram Panchayats under Moirang constituency were felicitated today. Moirang Block Congress Committee organized the felicitation at INA Memorial Hall. Former Moirang MLA Mairembam Prithviraj, President of Moirang Block Congress Committee Mohammad Saukat Ali, Chairperson of Koktab Municipal Council Mohammad Nahayai and members of Moirang Municipal Council were present at the felicitation. Speaking at the function, Prithviraj appealed to the newly elected persons to work honestly for the welfare of the people. Athokpam Premjit has been unanimously elected Upa Pradhan at a meeting of the newly elected members of Khongman Gram Panchayat. Farmers of Kakching Khunau are in distress after their agricultural lands have been submerged under water due to flash floods in regular intervals in the last few months. They said their crops have been badly hit by the floods. Kakching Khunau Youth Forum has appealed to the relevant authorities to look into the matter. The forum expressed dissatisfaction that no action have been taken, although the authority concerned have announced to pay additional attention to the worst affected areas. President of Kakching Khunau Youth Forum K.H. Prem Kumar appealed to authorities to immediately look into the problem.
Manipur thoki ba ising sauna maram oiraga tongan ba jaga sing da khoi low sing tumjin duna sikhi ba da Kakching Khunau gisu low pari sani rom ising na mangan duna sikre haire ba lofam sing ase hanna lomi sin hona judura han ba masung ani suba tang ani makta khoi adung na ba phau sing adu hunduna lingduna madu hona ba doi khoi sing na hanna hat pa dagi khoi haujik phau maru ama phawwa lomi sin lok ta bagi phibam da leire maram maduna hairiba sigula ba awaba taraba lomi sing asibu mateng pangbina ba government gi mafam da Kakching Khunau Youth Forum makai dagi.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while with more news updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Prime Time English News. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO has threatened of intense agitations if a white paper regarding malpractices in MOBC department is not released in 5 days. Speaking to media persons at their office in Hatta today, Human Resource Secretary of MMWO, Mohammad Achoba, alleged that MOBC has not sanctioned funds meant for student scholarships and for about 13 schemes. He alleged that the officials of the department have also misappropriated the funds for various schemes. MMWO and MSU have been protesting against non-distribution of benefits to the students from 2010 until date. He also said numerous requests were made to the previous government. Achoba said it is unfortunate that the current government has remained a mute spectator to the problem despite numerous requests.
Asifowa madugi asumba maile naba haide akogi aranba tobasing masna chenaba miyosing official gi ganosing amma fowa putopi bagi mahota masi gi ona taina bada akogi chief minister na yamna bigba ningol singi damaktani haiduna laying sel haibe scheme amma putopi rakpa sida masina kadai fowa masi asumba toba haide kadai fowa masina prajabiyam damadi masida ngam thopasing da ingol sing phangan mang ngamgadori bano department le ba mot pasing asi athu matam do kai paper ma puthok pi hai madu athu matam da la min mangani phu man da kai puthok ta ta ga de akan ba mayo lampu yaw ba khongjang sing MMW ona sanction da ba sem saba loijare.
As part of its ongoing conference in various states of the country, Popular Front of India PFI Manipur organized a conference at Sangai Yumpham Ediga ground in Thoubal district today under the theme "We Also Have Something to Say." Popular Front of India works against colonialism, capitalism and communalism forces. Vice President of the Front, Omar Salam, human rights activist, Bablu Loitongbam, State Secretary of CPI, Dr. M. Nara, and leaders of various organizations attended the conference. Idea and History of Manipur, a book written by retired Professor of History, Manipur University, Naurem Joykumar, was released today at Dev Literature Center on Dame College campus. Professor Joykumar said the book is about the origin and civilization of Manipur. He said an honest attempt has been made to explain several theories. He hoped that the book will not only help the research scholars but the people in clearing their doubts about the history of Manipur. PhD Minister Losi Dikko and former Registrar of Manipur University, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, also attended the book launch.
अकोई मियोबगी ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन से लाकमो तुमदे ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन से लाकवे बसी सुमतम तो इस लाकबो करेदी हौरी कोई सगी स्टोन एज की करेगी लाकबदगी सोसाइटी लाकप खोलप पुनम सगी सर्टेन डेवलपमेंट अप टू डेमोक्रेसी को लाइसिदा आइडिया मयान बेस तोप गातने हारिबा आइडिया सिंग से करम एनवायरनमेंट नंबर इन्फ्लुएंस तवे करम इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन इन्फ्लुएंस तवे करम पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन इन्फ्लुएंस तवे हाइबगी इन्फ्लुएंस तोब पोसक सिंग असिनी हारगा मसगी थियोरेटिकल कांसेप्ट असिगा मणिपुर थोइबा बागी थौदोक सिंग असिगा मसगी थ्योरी अदो इन फिट तौरगा मसे सिंग लाक्सबनी लाखिबनी हाइनबगी मदगी एटेम मा इन तौबनी.
Rotary Club of Imphal organized an adult literary program under the aegis of Rotary India Literacy Mission at Awang Potsambam Kuno today. Books and bags were distributed to adult learners at the program. Imphal evenings have been cancelled for today due to inclement weather. Meanwhile, the cabinet to be held tomorrow in Tamenglong district headquarters have also been postponed due to bad weather. Meitei Umjau, the traditional house of the Meiteis, which is constructed with the help of the people near Yaibilen Children Home at Kaibi Sanapad, Imphal East district, will be inaugurated on November 1st at 9:55 a.m. According to ICAR Gromet Lamphel, the rainfall in the state has reached 89.3 centimeters. Meanwhile, major rivers in Imphal, including the Nambul, Imphal and Kongba, are running high following the incessant rain since yesterday. There are apprehension of flash floods if the rain continues. Artificial flood had occurred in various parts of Imphal city due to poorly maintained drainages. According to half-hourly reports from Indian Meteorological Department, clouds over northeastern states, including, have begun to clear. Results of the 41st Khab Manipur Drama Festival 2017 have been announced. The festival was jointly organized by Lamaidong Dramatic Union and Manipur State Kala Academy. Prizes will be distributed on the 25th of this month. Now news from the world of sports. Northeast United Football Club outplayed Neroka FC with a 2-0 win in a friendly match played at Kumalampak Men's Stadium today. Around 10,000 football fans turned up to witness the game. The rains did not hamper the spirits of the players and the audience. The first half remained goalless. Danilo Lopez and Susil Ahong Sabam of Northeast United Football Club netted in the 54th and 89 minutes of the match respectively. Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren said the government is committed to increase the seat capacity of the men's stadium of Kumalampak Sports Complex from the present sitting capacity of 25,000 soon. He said the ground is also being developed into international standard so that the state can host international football matches.
Sigi stadium seat capacity hankalaga matak kupama floodlight ki facility leraga nungdang da sanan ba adugo loinana international ki football tournament sing mamang da ngamautra so matung da lakpasi Manipur da World Cup khangde Asia ki khangde sana hanbasi mafam sida poraga sanan ba aduneba mayam na support tobio this a few commitment sungsoi soidana thu matamda floodlight ki thaba horgani loinana stadium se seat capacity hangalagani aduga loinana astroturf football gi whole the years nong taba matam su kaisu practice sarga sanaba yaba astroturf athubada mafam ani amada yam thuna sagalagani haibase harage mam korum jare. Thank you.
Manipur will not only participate in the tournaments organized by Board of Control Cricket in India BCCI in 2018, but also participate in 2019 Ranji Trophy. The president of Manipur Cricket Association, R.K. Imo, announced this at the press release held at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium, Luang Sambam today. Finance Committee of BCCI has also agreed to sanction 50 crore rupees for development of cricket stadiums in northeastern states. After attending full membership of BCCI, the Manipur Cricket Association has been conducting workshops for coaches to produce good players from the state. Training is also currently on for different age groups of boys and girls.
Defining period ko ba to si matam si uruguay why important do ba matam ina masi ko amaga mga mating pang nakatay ang masida ko ano ba talent han ako infrastructure pakataw hana binaba mating pang ba promote to ba mul encourage to ba siya masine ko pa yung maru ko si ay power kanda players sing na represent to ba kanda ako yan lay pa rin ko ba sa karati ko that is not the thing ujik ta gito ko sinyo maru na
Our coaches would coach the Manipur boys. Probably they would need one or two coaches from outside. But in future, we'll start from now, develop each and every corner of Manipur and to have an academy over here. And this is the best ground. I think in Northeast, I've gone to many places, Mizoram, now in Manipur, I've been to Meghalaya. I think the ground they have, the facilities they have here, I think in Northeast there is no other ground like this. Our coaches would coach.
Chloe, the headlines once again. People Repair Bank of Imphal River at Singjamei. The bank collapsed at Singjamei Sapam Laikai, Tekhau Part 1 week ago. Minister Karam Sham asserts that he is prepared to take the lead to bring transparency in politics. People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance announces that it will contest both Lok Sabha seats in Manipur in 2019. Manipur government invites Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur for talks on October 24th. And Northeast United FC outplayed Neroka FC with 2-0 win in a friendly match.